Hi everybody, this is Reza with Profile Traders on June the 22nd, and this is the recap for ES. So today was a little bit a repeat of yesterday, where we see that the bottom part of the profile was all very aggressive rush to the buy side, where we left a vast area of single prints behind, and then we ended up rotating and closing at the top of the session. Then last night Globex did not do anything to the downside, since we did not break the 4203, which was our main level of support, but rather rotated at the top part of yesterday's session. And the day session of today was a little bit of a battle in the first 1 hour, but then again we saw a very aggressive rush to the upside until the very last half hour, where we saw a little bit of a pullback. So a lot of people are wondering what's going on. There is two things going on. One, Powell is still going around saying that the inflation that we are witnessing are temporarily and is gonna disappear soon, and as a result the Fed is in no rush to jack the rates or even taper, which in my opinion is pure lie, because this is the same man who did not anticipated this inflation rate to reach the levels that it has reached, and he got completely caught by surprise. So the same man who mismanaged it and caught by surprise is the one telling us not to worry because everything's gonna be fine. So any case, the importance is that the market, as soon as they heard that the Fed is going to be doing business as usual, which is injecting 120 billion every month into the casino, they loved it and they rushed into the buy side. Secondly, what you have to also be looking at is that on the daily chart something extremely important happened. We had a trend line that was containing the entire rally from the low of the COVID to the peak where we have reached. This trend line last Friday, on a closing basis, that trend line was technically successfully broken. When you have a technical break of such a trend line with a confirmed close, the one we got on Friday, a lot of big money will take shorts, looking that after this break price would go to the moving averages, the 200 and the 100. Oftentimes when such a breaks happen, you get good follow through to the downside. Sometimes you come up and retest the trend line and then break. But this time it was extremely unusual that after such a confirmed break, the next candle not only reversed the entire breakdown, but took it all the way to the top of the previous candle and closed inside the trend line, negating the breakdown, cutting a lot of shorts by surprise. So this is the reason why you're seeing such a manic buying to the upside, because everybody that looked at this trend line break confirmation and was saying that we are about to correct got caught by surprise. Now we are going to see two things. Either today we did put a temporarily top, and if I hook these two together, we have a downtrend line in place, and therefore if we do come back down and break the low of 4206, the low of today, then we should see a severe retracement back towards 4150, the low of this candle. If on the other hand we break the high of today, most likely it is going to go retest the all-time high and even make a new high. So that's what's going on in the big picture, and that's what caused this extreme aggressive buying the last 2 days. So in terms of resistance, 42.46, then 42.50, there is a naked POC there. Then after that you're going to be dealing with the 42.58, 59 or whatever it is. It's that recent all-time high, and if you do break that, you're going to be in a brand new all-time high. How far will it go? We have to wait and see. In terms of support, if we reject below 42.32, we should be coming and testing 42.25. If the 42.25 doesn't provide support, we should see a fast fall to 42.12, then 42.03, and below this you have all the underdeveloped imbalance underneath. Then price should come down to 41.96, 41.92, and then if we want to go one level lower, 41.78, but we are not there yet. So it is very important to see what tonight does in relationship of today's high. If by tomorrow morning we look at this market and we still see that we have not broken or cleared 41.96, then this could be, as I said, the beginning of a retracement down, as long as this trend line down will contain these two tops. So let's see how tomorrow goes and get back to you for my next analysis. Have a great evening.